Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to check in online with American Airlines. There are two easy methods, so be sure to watch until the end to learn more. So the first method is by using the American Airlines website. Here's how you can do it. Open your favorite browser on your PC and type in American Airlines. Now click on the one that is www.aa.com American Airlines. Click on this and you'll be promoted to this page. Once you're on your home page, click on Your Trips or click on Manage Trips or check-in option, that is the mid option, and you'll see this page. Enter your name, enter passenger's last name. Now enter the booking reference and click on Find Reservation. Now you will need to agree to the hazardous material policy by clicking on the checkbox. Under the trips option, click Continue. Choose your seat, check in your bags and click Continue again. Lastly, confirm all your trip details and you're done. You can even print your boarding pass directly from the website. And if you want to check in through the app, open the Airlines app, choose your upcoming trip from the list, tap check-in, click on read and accept all terms and conditions provided, select your preferred seat, and once you completed the check-in process, your boarding pass will appear on your screen. And that's it. Checking in online with American Airlines is quick and easy, whether you choose to do it through the website or the app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and thanks for watching.